What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be learning about Pythagoras Theorem. Nothing too hard, just some practice questions. It's not going to be too long, hopefully. Should be pretty easy, relatively. No explanations, nothing. So let's just refresh on some things. What's the formula? It is a square plus b square equals c square. Okay, so this is our formula. Remember, it only, emphasis, works on right triangles. Don't mess up and use this on an equilateral or isosceles triangle. It will not work. Okay, so next thing we can brush up on right here. So remember what the hypotenuse is. It's the longest side. That one. That's our height. You know what, let's just make this picture a bit easier to understand. There. Okay, so the longest side is the hypotenuse. This is really all we need to know. I mean, there are names for these other two. I won't get into that right now. This is supposed to be a very short video just for practice. Okay, so remember, the longest one is usually always C. A and B can be either one. I like to do A as the shortest. So that's your triangle. Anyways, let's get right into the practice. Okay. So I'm gonna draw a triangle here. This one's A, this one's B, this one's C. So the value of A is 2. Wait, I have no clue what that is. Wait a second, something just went happen. Okay, there. And the value of B is 3. Okay? Find the value of C. And remember, the formula is a square plus b square equals to c square. If you need more time, pause the video. Okay, so let's substitute a here for the value of a that I've given, 2 square, plus what's the value of b? 3. 3 square equals to c square. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and equals to c square. Didn't choose a very good problem here, but 13 equals to c square. And that means c equals to the square root of 13. I'm not actually going to simplify that, but if it was any other number, like let's just say this number was 64 somehow, it would be 8, but the problem I chose is gives you 13. Sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna do another one now. Okay, here. I'm gonna call this one A, B, and C. Bit bigger numbers. I mean, not too big. Shouldn't be that hard. Hopefully. Okay, so find C. Okay, if you need more time, pause the video. So a square plus b squared equals c squared. This is our formula. So let's plug in a. 22 squared plus b is 24. 24 squared equals to c squared. Okay, give me a moment to calculate those numbers. A bit too big. Yeah, I'm not very good at picking examples. Okay, so this one's 484. But anyways, this is just for you to get the idea of how it's done. Okay, so this equals 1060. So now we know c squared equals 1060. C is equal to the square root of 1060. I'm not gonna solve that again. Okay, so we're gonna go back to doing smaller numbers. I'll just do this below here. Okay. Typical C, A, B. Okay, A, B, C. There. This time I'm gonna leave B out, so you have to find B. Just use the formula and you'll be fine. Okay, let me. So we're solving for B. There. This shouldn't be hard at all. Except for the part that now B is your variable, so think carefully. Anyways, if you need more time, please pause the video. So our formula will help us a lot here. See, so now we have A is 9, 9 squared is 81, plus, well, we don't know what B squared is, but we do know what C squared is, 144. So now B squared equals to, we bring positive 81 over to the other side, so it becomes negative 81. So 144 minus 81, or negative 81, as you can see. If you don't know how to do that, I'll show you in the future. Probably next video, something like that. Okay, so we just do subtract that. Give me a second. Okay, so that equals to 63. So B squared equals 63. And B equals to the square root of 63. That wasn't too hard, was it? Okay, anyways, that's enough for today. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. And goodbye.